In this series, I focused on examples of food and kitchen stuff. This grouping can also be narrowed down. You might focus on just food or just kitchen items, maybe just appliances, or perhaps only silverware. That can be broken down. Maybe you just want to focus on spoons or forks. You might focus on the ingredients for food. You'll see that I also focused on exploring color schemes by playing the color scheme game. And also, after having played the color scheme game a lot, I just focused on color schemes without dictating to myself what color scheme I was going to use. I tried different techniques. I sketched over abandoned paintings. I sketched during all times of the day and all times of the night. I sketched in different states of wakefulness and different states of sleeplessness. I experimented with drawing fast and drawing slowly, as well as painting fast and painting slowly. I honed my skills on other techniques like pulling the puddle, contour line drawing, stippling. I used a lot of different tools. I used fountain pen, dip pen. I used permanent ink. I used ink that would bleed. I used ink with the dip pen, and I used ink with a brush. I played with design. I experimented with bending my world into a dala design. The dala is the circular shape that I use, that I've divided into smaller shapes using a swooping line in a similar way to making Zentangles. Now granted, this is not a quick morning scribble. I've already spent about 15 minutes. I think it was closer to 15 minutes doing the drawing, which is why I like doing these in the morning. And now my brain is kicked in and I have expectations of this because I want this fun experience again. So instead of it being a surprise, it's an expectation, and we'll see what happens with that. This is where daily practice comes in, because you have to go through all of these stages of happy accidents. Oh, I like that, I want to do that again, to apprehension over will it be fun again, will it work again? And then you get to the point where you're relaxed, it becomes part of your habit, becomes part of your intuitive mark making, and then you proceed from there and you end up with another happy accident and it all starts all over again.